Alongside the growing pressure to be more sustainable, businesses must anticipate significant changes in consumer behavior, such as the explosion of e-commerce, the demand for more product choices, and personalization. They must manage uncertainty like trade conflicts and supply chain disruptions. ABB is the only company providing the full automation portfolio of robots, autonomous mobile robots, and adaptive machines designed and orchestrated by our value-creating software. Flexible, adaptive automation can bridge labor gaps and allow you to respond to rapid changes in demand for existing products or for new ones. And it can even allow you to consider downsizing factory footprints, adapt to new packaging, or optimize energy consumption in the search for greater sustainability.